Hi friends, I am back to discuss a trick with which we can find the square root of numbers, that is nothing but perfect squares, just in 5 seconds. But before going to that friends, let's have 1 to 10 squares friends, which are very important for us in finding square roots. Okay friends, let's start our trick in finding square roots. So for that I am taking 529. So how to find the square root of this friends? For that what I am going to do, I am going to take the number 529 and always any number from right side divide it into two parts, that is right side you take a pair, that is 2 digits, and divide like this. Any number you take, right side 2 numbers must be a pair and remaining you divide like this. So this is the first part. First part may contain 1, 2, 3, 4 so on digits friends, and second part always contains a pair, that is 2 digits. Okay friends, this is a fixed. Next let's start our trick in finding square root. For that I am taking first part. So what is my first part friends? 5. So between which two squares this 5 lies? That is between 4 and 9, that is nothing but 2 square and 3 square. So let me write this friends. So between 2 square and 3 square this number lies. So in this 2, which is the smallest digit friends? 2. So that is nothing but I got 1 digit of my square root, that is 10th digit. Now let me try 1's digit, how to get it. Now for going to that, I am going to see the second part. In second part, I am going to see 1's digit. What is that friends? 9. So which square has 9 in its 1's place? So 3 square has 9 and also 7 square has 9. So my possibility of getting a unit digit is either 3 or 7, since these two squares have 9 in their 1's place, that is units place. That is 3 square 9 and 7 square 49. Now in this 2, 1 digit only we must write there. Then how to write? We are going to decide that by our digit already we got from the first part. What is that friends? 2. So I am going to take that 2, and we know what is the successor of 2, that is next number after 2, that is nothing but 3. 2 3s are how much friends? 6. And then I am going to compare this with my first part. What is my first part friends? 5. So 5. First part, that is nothing but what? First part. First part 5. So my 5 is less than 6 or more than 6? It is less. It is what friends? It is less. 5 is less than 6. So in this 2, which is the smaller number friends? Less number, that is nothing but 3. That is smaller number 3. I am going to take that. That's it. My square root of 529 is nothing but 23 friends. Let us try with one more example. Let us take 4 digit number and try friends. By practice, you can do this just in 5 seconds, friends. Try with some more examples. First, listen to me. I am giving 4 digit. That is, let us take 2401. Let's find the square root of this, friends. Okay. So what to do, friends? Let's write the number first. Then what to do? Divide this into 2 parts. So how? Take a pair and divide like this. This is the first part, and this is the second part. Second part always contains a pair, that is 2 digits. Now start our trick. We started, of course, by division. Now let us take 24 lies between which two squares? 24 lies between which two squares? That is 16 and 25. That is 4 square and 5 square. In this 2, which is smallest digit friends? 4. So I got my 1 digit. That is 10th digit I got. One of my digit in the square root I got. Next friends, let's go for second part. Seeing 0 don't keep 1 there friends. We must follow the trick and rules. So here 1. Which squares have 1 in their units place? That is 1 has 1 square 1 and also 9 square 81. So both have. That is nothing but possibility of my units place here is 1 or 9. That how we are going to decide friends? We are going to take our first part. What we got friends? 4. 4 after, what is that we have friends? Immediate number 5. 4 5s are how much friends? 20. Now we will compare this with the first part. First part, what is that friends? We know 24. So our first part 24 is greater than our product what we got. So it is bigger. So what we do friends? Bigger number in this 2. What is the bigger number? 9. So let us write 9. That's nothing but our square root friends. Square root of 2401 is nothing but 49. Okay friends? Let's try with 5 digit number. So let's take 14884 friends. Okay, let's find the square root of this. Okay friends, so what we do? We write the number first. And what we do? We take a pair and divide this. So this is the first part. You got 3 digits friends. and this is second part, always fixed 2 digits. Now what to do, friends? We must check between these two squares. I have only 1 to 10 squares, friends, but generally we must remember 1 to 20 squares, friends, in order to get our answers in just in fraction of seconds. Okay, friends, so I have in my mind that is nothing but this number lies between 144 12 square and 169 13 square. So let's write. So this number lies between 12 square and 13 square. In these two, which is the smallest? 12. So let us write 12 here. I got one part of my answer. So I think square root of 5 digit is generally a 3 digit. So I got that. 2 digits I got. I must get one more digit, that is ones place. What I must do for ones place? I must see the second part. Second part, I must see the ones place digit 4. Which squares have 4 in their units place? That is 2 square and one more, friends, 8 square, 64, 4 and 4. So my possibility of getting my digit is either 2 or 8. So how we are going to decide in this to which one? By seeing our first part answer, that is 12. 12 after number, friends, 13. 12 into 13, how much, friends? 156. So and we are going to compare this with our first part. First part is 148. So our first part is less than this or more than this? It is less. So we must take a smaller number in this 2. What is that, friends? 2. So square root of 14884 is nothing but 122. Yes, friends, got it, friends? You try with some more examples, you will get it in 5 seconds, friends. Okay, friends? Now let us try with some exceptional case. That is, we have an example, friends. Let's see that example. That is square root of 1296. Observe this clearly, friends. This is exceptional. That's what I gave a star for this. Let's take how to find the square root of this. So let's write the number and divide 2 parts. That is first part and the second part. Second part containing 2 digits and we have first part 2 digits. Now what to do, friends? 12 lies between which two squares? That is 9 and 16. That is 3 square and 4 square. In this two smaller 3. I got it, is it? First part answer. Next part, friends? Here second part I see 6. So which squares have 6 in their units place? 4 square and 6 square. So that is either possibility of 4 or 6. That we are going to decide by our first part answer 3. Next number, friends, 4. 3 4s are 12. What is the first part, friends? 12. I got here equal. So whenever you get first part either equal to or greater than, always take a bigger digit, bigger number. What is a bigger number, friends? 6. Let us take 6. Remember this, friend, this is most important. Or you remember square root of 1296 is 36. I think, friends, you understood this trick in finding the square roots. Okay, friends, so practice, you can get it in 5 seconds, friends. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe and share, friends. Thank you very much.